welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I thought it would be really fun to go to a pumpkin patch, and there's a nearby pumpkin patch called Pine Haven, and they have a corn maze and other things too, and I've actually never done that either. So I hope you enjoy the video. So they have an area that I didn't really record, but basically you can pan through dirt and get rocks and fossils, and this is what we got when we went. We got a lot of crystals. There's some amber.
Dino DNA.
And I got a lot of shark teeth. I did end up buying a pumpkin. I don't have the pumpkin here with me, but I'll show you guys in the next week's video when I carve a pumpkin. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you follow me on all my social medias and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next week.